Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I having Panasonic split AC indoor motor. This one while running time is making huge noise. Actually it is already bearing gone. Because of that is irritating noise coming from the machine unit. Because of that we removed the motor. Now I am going to replace the bearing. I will show you how to replace the bearing. It is little bit difficult work, but anyway I am doing this job. It is very easy while you are trying to do that. It is very easy. That's why I am going to show you how to do that. First of all, we have to remove the top cover, this one, and I will show you how to do that. So we have to remove like that. Keep a little bit touch here. Now we have to remove like that. Coming like that. Here is glue, silicone here. Now we can remove here 3 pin here, starting running common. This is DC. This motor is 60 watt DC to 280 240 watts. That means this motor is DC. Now we have to remove this circuit here, and it's also very easy for us. Now I already resoldering these 3 connectors. Now we can take it like that. Also very careful we have to do this job. Now this job we have to do very careful. Now I already removed desoldering. Now we can take it out. It's like that we have to take. Now we can take the rotor. Now we can remove the bearing and we can refix the bearing. This bearing size is 608Z. We have to replace the same bearing. Now I am going to replace the bearing. Now this is a new bearing 608. We have to fix here first. Now it's okay. Now we have to refix. Now we have to fix this one. Very careful we have to do this job. And it will come like that. After that we have to solder it properly. Now it's okay, done. Now we have to fix this safety. Now we have to fix this cover. Now for the fixing I am going to use this M seal. Otherwise it's not getting tight. Because of that I am going to use this M seal. Now we have to fix the same. Here it will come lock with the I'm using UHU. Now I'm going to tie it properly this one. Now it's okay. Now we have to keep after half an hour we can take. Now it's okay. Now M seal is came out, actually it's tight properly. After getting dry we can finish our job. Now I already completed my job. Now fan is working. I can increase and decrease fan speed. Now I am increasing now. No any noise, normal noise this one. High speed. Now I reduce the speed. Our job already done. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video.